And I'm more than willing to drive a couple hours to pick up a 1961 Ricola Regis and restore her. So since I have the space and my wife allows me to buy this stuff, I currently have 13 pinball machines, 6 jukeboxes, a bunch of retro arcade machines, and an air hockey table. And so I've created a neutral environment through gamification. These agents can let off steam. They can recharge their batteries. They can meet people from other departments. And they also hang out with El Jefe. And it's an excellent place for us to be able to build that sort of culture where people become friends and they have a lot of fun. So instead of being on the phone for Instagram, why go outside and smoke a cigarette or sit by yourself at lunch? Go and hang out at the arcade and have an excellent time. And so for me, gamification, and especially now that I have the room for it, I plan on expanding it. So maybe when we speak next year, you'll be hearing about all the different machines I have. And